Here's our quick tutorial on how to fold a bandsaw blade. This goes to my 20-inch Delta bandsaw. It's a 50s model. It's from the mid-1950s. I'm not sure how long it is, but as you can see, it's a beast. You don't want to store this thing like this. You want to roll it into 3 coils. There is a trick to that. You'll notice the first step is you wear a very thick glove. This is a one-handed operation. So the other hand's out here, doesn't need a glove even. So I have the teeth pointing outwards. It doesn't really matter, but I prefer to start with it. Your hand is like this and it goes like this. Okay, here we go. We step down, make sure she don't slide around. Grip it like this. Make sure that goes like that. Goes all the way around. And good. Now you just take a little wire tie, put it around it, and there you go. A lot easier to store in this form.